Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Professor Migration, here to guide you through the sometimes tricky world of migration. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: measures for the protection of children during international moves. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the migration process? Well, stick around. In this video, I'll break down the essential steps you need to take to ensure a smooth journey for you and your family. Understanding migration isn't just beneficial. It can help you make smarter, stress-free decisions as you relocate. Now, let's get into the meat of it with our list of key points to consider. First up, visa subclasses. Understanding which visa subclass fits your family's needs is crucial. Different visas offer various benefits, such as access to healthcare and education. Takeaway 1. Research the specific visa subclass options available for families. Takeaway 2. Look into the duration of validity. It's vital for planning your stay. Takeaway 3. Don't forget to check if you can include family members in your application, as this can impact processing times. Next, let's talk about visa benefits. These are designed to support families and ensure the safety of children during international relocation. Takeaway 1. Ensure your visa allows for access to necessary healthcare and education services for your children. Takeaway 2. Familiarize yourself with the legal protections offered by the visa. Knowing your rights is empowering. Takeaway 3. Take advantage of available support services like child protection agencies, which can be invaluable. Now, onto visa duration details. Knowing how long your visa lasts can make or break your planning. Takeaway 1. Understand whether your visa allows for extensions. Some do, while others don't. Takeaway 2. Consider how the length of your stay might affect your children's education continuity. Takeaway 3. Keep an eye on tourist activity limitations tied to visa duration. This can impact your family's travel plans. Moving on, let's discuss incorporating family members in your visa application. This can change everything about your application process. Takeaway 1. Know that including family members can alter eligibility criteria, so read the fine print. Takeaway 2. Expect that applications with additional family members often take longer to process. Takeaway 3. Be prepared to gather extra documentation to prove family relationships. Now, what about those pesky application fees? Understanding these is crucial to avoid financial surprises. Takeaway 1. Each visa subclass has its own fee structure, so research this early. Takeaway 2. Additional charges may apply for each family member included in the application, so plan accordingly. Takeaway 3. Always verify that all applicants meet the required criteria to avoid costly delays. Next, let's touch on application location requirements. Knowing where to submit your visa application can save you a lot of hassle. Takeaway 1. Different subclasses may require applications to be lodged onshore or offshore, so check the specifics. Takeaway 2. Be aware of any additional documentation needed based on where you apply. Takeaway 3. Familiarize yourself with safety protocols tied to the application process to ensure secure processing. Finally, we can't forget about travel rules after visa approval. Knowing these rules is essential to avoid complications down the road. Takeaway 1. Always review your visa documents for any travel restrictions. Takeaway 2. Plan ahead for re-entry. Some visas have strict conditions on leaving and re-entering the country. Takeaway 3. If your travel plans change, look into options for extending your visa in advance. Now, let's take a moment to address some common concerns you might have. A frequent question is about document gathering. I recommend starting this process as soon as possible. Keeping everything organized will save you stress later on. And remember, don't hesitate to seek expert advice when needed. It's better to be safe than sorry. As we wrap up, I encourage you to share your own migration experiences in the comments below or ask any questions you might have about today's topic. Don't forget to subscribe for more invaluable visa and migration tips, and visit CompareMigration.com.au for further resources. Remember, understanding migration processes can lead to long-term benefits for you and your family. Migration can be complex, but with the right guidance, you can make it happen. Stay curious and informed at CompareMigration.com.au.